It's fun to ski side to side on a white and snowy ride, sliding down the bunny slope, soaring, smiling wide. Place your boot in from the toe, then you push your heel down low. Everyone, let's go, go, go. We'll have fun out in the snow. Do the duck walk in your skis, form your skis into a V. Everyone, let's go, go, go. We'll have fun out in the snow. We love to ski, we love it all. As the dancing snowflakes fall, it's fun to ski side to side on a white and snowy ride. Make a pizza shape, okay. Help your skis to make an A. Everyone, let's go, go, go. We'll have fun out in the snow. Ride the magic carpet up, then ski down from the top. Everyone, let's go, go, go. We'll have fun out in the snow. We love to ski, we love it all. As the dancing snowflakes fall, it's fun to ski side to side on a white and snowy ride.
Let's go down the bunny slope. Not too fast and not too slow.
Everyone, let's go, go, go. We'll have fun out in the snow. We love to ski, we love it all. As the dancing snowflakes fall, it's fun to ski side to side on a white and snowy ride. Yeah! Can you jump rope?
Let's all jump rope. Keep sticking to it. Keep sticking to it. You're smart and tough.
You're strong enough.
Keep sticking to it. And don't ever give up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! I like carrots. I like plums.
I'd like Bella to froggy jump.
1.
It's okay, try again.
Someone's in my head, saying not a chance. Someone's in the mirror, telling me I can't. But 1.
Try again later.
I like carrots. I like plums. I like Cody to froggy jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like carrots. I like plums. I like Cece to froggy jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Someone's in my head, saying not a chance.
Someone's in the mirror telling you you can't, but
Keep sticking to it. Keep sticking to it. You're smart and tough. You're strong enough. Keep sticking to it.
try again.
Keep sticking to it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop, hop, hooray! Keep sticking to it. Keep sticking to it. You're smart and tough. You're strong enough. Keep sticking to it. And don't ever give up.
It's time for Winter Show and Tell. Would you like to start, JJ?
I forgot mine. My mommy's bringing it for me.
Okay, I'll start. For Winter Show and Tell, I love stockings full of treats and a star on top of the tree.
Treats?
Ready, JJ?
Not yet.
Okay, Nico, it's your turn.
For Winter Show and Tell, I love popcorn and a movie, stocking full of treats, and a star on top of the tree.
Okay, Cody, your turn.
For Winter Show and Tell, I love yummy sugar cookies, popcorn and a movie, stockings full of treats, and a star on top of the tree.
Ready, JJ?
Not yet.
Then it's Nina's turn.
For Winter Show and Tell, I love lights red and green, yummy sugar cookies, popcorn and a movie, stocking full of treats, and a star on top of the tree.
Oh. Okay, Bella, your turn.
For Winter Show and Tell, I love playing in the snow, lights red and green, yummy sugar cookies, popcorn and a movie, stockings full of treats, and a star on top of the tree.
Ready, JJ?
Not yet.
All right, it's Cece's turn.
For Winter Show and Tell, I love to dance ballet, playing in the snow, lights red and green, yummy sugar cookies, popcorn and a movie, stockings full of treats, and a star on top of the tree.
Well, JJ, it's your turn.
For Winter Show and Tell.
JJ!
Mommy!
Huh?
For Winter Show and Tell, I love family time, giving lots of hugs, playing in the snow, lights red and green, popcorn and a movie, cookies so yummy, stockings full of treats, and a star on top of the tree.
Autumn veggies start out small.
With our help, they grow up tall. Veggies help us grow up too.
are small and green.
They're not ripe yet, but it's okay. We can use mine to make those resting on the vine. Pick one up. What did you find?
Something round, red and smooth for our harvest due.
Potatoes sleep under the ground. Pull one up. What have you found?
Something rough and hard to chew for our harvest due. Autumn veggies start out small. With our help, they grow tall. Veggies help us grow up too. That is why we love harvest
John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Okay, everyone, it's time to learn the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
My name is Miss Appleberry.
Appleberry,
Appleberry. A-double-P-L-E. B-E-double-R-Y.
Appleberry,
Appleberry. That's me.
My teacher is the best there ever was. My teacher is the best, and I love her just because. She always tells me stories and reads my favorite books. When I want to see the pictures, she always lets me look. My teacher is the best there ever was. My teacher is the best, and I love her just because. She helps us all to get along and teaches us to share. She taught me always to be kind and always to play fair.
her name is Miss Appleberry.
Appleberry, Appleberry.
A-double-P-L-E, B-E-double-R-Y.
Appleberry,
Appleberry.
That's me.
My teacher is the best there ever was. My teacher is the best, and I love her just because. Sometimes I fall and hurt myself, and then I start to cry. But she helps me to feel better and helps me dry my eyes.
My teacher is the best there ever was. My teacher is the best, and I love her just because. She teaches us to dance, and she teaches us to sing. She teaches us some silly songs, and it's my favorite thing.
Her name is Miss Appleberry.
Appleberry,
Appleberry. A-double-P-L-E, B-E-double-R-Y.
Appleberry,
Appleberry. That's me.
My teacher is the best there ever was. My teacher is the best, and I love her just because. When I fail and make a mess, my teacher helps me clean. She's the greatest teacher that I have ever seen.
She's the greatest teacher that I have ever seen. I've got something in my lunchbox, something yummy I know. I've got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go.
I've got chicken nuggets, carrot sticks, grapes, and some potato chips.
Chicken nuggets, carrot sticks, grapes lunchbox. Something yummy, I know. I've got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go.
I've got tortillas with some rice and beans, salsa and some leafy greens.
Tortillas with some rice and beans, salsa, leafy greens. I've got something in my lunchbox. Something yummy, I know. I've got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go.
I've got pasta with tomato sauce, bread and salad that's been tossed.
Pasta with tomato sauce, bread and salad tossed. I've got something in my lunchbox. Something yummy, I know. I've got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go.
I've got chicken dumplings with some rice, veggies that taste very nice.
Chicken dumplings with some rice, veggies very nice. I've got something in my lunchbox. Something yummy, I know. I've got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go.
I've got a sandwich made with ham and cheese, broccoli and apples, please.
Sandwich made with ham and cheese, broccoli, apples, please. I've got something in my lunchbox. Something yummy, I know. I've got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go.
I've got potatoes and roast beef, you see, peanut butter, celery,
Potatoes and roast beef, you see. Peanut butter, celery. I've got something in my lunchbox. Something yummy, I know. I've got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go.
Hey everyone! Say hello to Cody's mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hey. Hi, class. I'm a doctor, and today I'm going to show you what happens when you get a checkup.
When you go see the doctor for your checkup today, she'll make sure you're healthy in every way.
She'll check your weight, she'll check your height, she'll check to see that you're growing right.
When you go see the doctor for your checkup today, she'll make sure you're healthy in every way.
She'll check your lungs, she'll check your heart, she'll make sure they're working every part.
When you go see the doctor for your checkup today, she'll make sure you're healthy in every way.
She'll check your eyes, she'll check your ears.
She'll check how well you see and hear. When you go see the doctor for your checkup today, she'll make sure you're healthy in every way.
She'll check your mouth, she'll check your throat, she'll look at her checklist and make some notes.
When you go see the doctor for your checkup today, she'll make sure you're healthy in every way.
She'll check your reflex, she'll check your bones
To see that they're healthy and how much you grow. When you go see the doctor for your checkup today, she'll make sure you're healthy in every way.
Now she might say that you need a shot, but don't be scared, it won't hurt a lot.
When you go see the doctor for your checkup today, she'll make sure you're healthy in every way.
Hi, Mom.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too. But it will be okay on my first day of school.
Do you have your backpack?
Yes, I do.
Do you have your shoes?
Yes, I do.
Do you have your lunch?
Yes, I do.
Do you have your teddy?
Yes, I do.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too. But it will be okay on my first day of school. Will you greet your teacher?
Yes, I will.
Will you make new friends?
Yes, I will.
Will you play some games?
Yes, I will.
Will you learn new things?
Yes, I will.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too. But it will be okay on my first day of school. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I am.
Are you smiling?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too. But it will be okay on my first day of school.
Did you find your cubby?
Yes, I did.
Did you hang your backpack?
Yes, I did.
Did you give a hug?
Yes, I did.
Did you say goodbye?
Bye-bye. Yes, I did.
Oh, wait. Huh? Let's all stretch together. Let's stand up and touch the sky. Touch the sky, touch the sky.
Let's stand up and touch the sky and dance together.
Let's bend down and touch our toes. Touch our toes, touch our toes.
Let's bend down and touch our toes and dance together.
Let's all do some jumping jacks. Jumping jacks, jumping jacks.
Let's all do some jumping jacks and dance together.
Let's have fun and run in place. Run in place, run in place.
Let's have fun and run in place and dance together.
Let's all move and wiggle and shake. Wiggle and shake, wiggle and shake.
Let's all move and wiggle and shake and dance together.
Let's all march and stomp our feet. Stomp our feet, stomp our feet.
Let's all march and stomp our feet and dance together.
Let's start low and jump up high. Jump up high, jump up high.
Let's start low and jump up high and dance together.
Now let's go play. Let's make our own construction site.
We've got the tools to do it right. We'll crush and mix, smash and scoop, like real construction equals do.
The big steam roller pounds the ground.
Pounds it flat while rolling round.
Rolling, rolling, it's so much fun to get construction done.
The concrete mixer blends and spins.
All we need to make cement. Blending, spinning, it's so much fun to get construction done.
The rumbly dump truck drops and loads.
What we need down the road. Dropping, loading, it's so much fun to get construction done. The great tall crane lowers and lifts heavy things, smooth and swift. Lowering, lifting, it's so much fun to get construction done.
Let's make our own construction site. We've got the tools to
see. Clamshells yawn in the deep blue sea. Opening, closing, snap, snap, snap. Snap like a clam, go snap, snap, snap. I look at the shore and what do I see? A sea turtle wiggles on the sandy beach. Flippers waving, swish, swish, swish. Wave like a turtle, swish, swish, swish.
I look at the beach and what do I see? Dolphins play in the waves so free.
Jumping, diving, splish, splish, splash. Jump like a dolphin, splish, splish, splash. These are the things that live at the beach. It's so fun to learn what lives at the beach. These are the things that live at the beach. I love the things at the beach.
Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Make a funny face.
Make a happy face with a great big smile. A happy face, a happy face, a happy face, a happy face.
Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Make a funny face.
Make a sad face with a tear and a pout. A sad face, a sad face, a sad face, a sad face.
Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Make a funny face.
Make an angry face with a great big frown. An angry face, an angry face, an angry face, an angry face.
Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Make a funny face.
Make a surprise face with your mouth open wide. A surprise face, a surprise face, a surprise face, a surprise face.
Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Make a funny face.
Make a cute face as nice as can be. A cute face, a cute face, a cute face, a cute face.
Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Make a funny face.
Make a silly face as funny as you can. A silly face, a silly face, a silly face, a silly face.
Make a funny face. Make a funny face. Move your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Make a funny face. When we grow up big and tall, it can be anything, anything at all. We can dream and we can try. We'll work hard and reach the sky.
I can be an astronaut flying up in space.
An astronaut?
An astronaut.
Yes, you can, yes, you can.
I can be an athlete running in
can talk, it can be anything, anything at all. We can dream and we can try. We'll work hard and reach the sky.
Ten little legs all sleeping, 10 little legs in a row. Count them while they're cozy. Count them all, let's go.
We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Still there's more. 7 and 8, 9, and then this little one makes 10. 10 little eggs are cracking. 10 little eggs in a row. Count them while they're hatching. Count them all, let's go. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Still there's more. 7 and 8, 9, and then this little one makes 10. 10 little chicks are chirping. 10 little chicks in a row. Count them while they're stretching. Count them all, let's go. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Still there's more. 7 and 8, 9, and then this little one makes 10. 10 little chicks are skipping. 10 little chicks in a row. Count them while they're playing. Count them all, let's go. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Still there's more. 7 and 8, 9, and then this little one makes
10. Let's all count sheep. Count 1, 2, 3 until we sleep. Let's all count sheep.
Could we keep playing, Miss Appleberry? Could we keep playing, please, please?
You'll play your best if you have some rest. You'll play your best if you have some rest. Let's all count sheep. Count 1, 2, 3 until we sleep. Let's all count sheep.
I'm scared of the dark, Miss Appleberry. I'm scared of the dark. Please, please.
See our light shine. You'll be just fine. See our light shine. You will be just fine. Let's all count sheep. Count 1, 2, 3 until we sleep. Let's all count sheep.
I'm all by myself.
count sheep. Count 1, 2, 3 until we sleep. Let's all count sheep. In dreams you can fly through a starry sky. When nap time is done, we will have more fun.
Let's all count sheep. Count 1, 2, 3.
Okay, everyone, let's learn the notes that we used to sing. These are the notes that we can bring together to make a song to sing. When you put them together, they make a song. Let's all jump and sing along. Do, do, re, re, mi,
Mi,
fa,
fa,
so,
so,
la,
la,
ti,
ti,
do,
do,
do, re, mi, fa,
do, re, mi, fa,
so, la, ti, do.
so, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do.
These are the notes that we can bring together to make a song to sing. When you put them together, they make a song. Let's all jump and sing along. Let's try singing the notes with Mary Had a Little Lamb. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Re, re, re. Mi, so, so. Mi, re, do, re, mi, 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 mi. Re, re, mi, re, do. Let's try it faster. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi. Re, 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 mi, so, so. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi. Re, re, mi, re, do. Yay! Great job! These are the notes that we can bring together to make a song to sing. When you put them together, they make a song. Let's all jump and sing along.
Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Colors are so wonderful, shining bright and beautiful. Red, orange, yellow, and blue, with green and purple too. Let's make jiggly jello with 3 primary colors.
Primary colors?
Yes, red, blue, and yellow are primary colors because we use them to make all the other colors.
Aha!
Let's make jiggly jello with 3 primary colors. wait for our Jell-O to cool.
Yeah!
Ready to see your Jell-O?
Colors are so wonderful, shining bright and beautiful. Red, orange, yellow, and blue, with green and purple too.
Let's make jiggly Jell-O with 3 secondary colors.
Secondary colors?
Yes, orange, green, and purple are secondary colors because they're made from primary colors.
Aha! Let's make jiggly Jell-O with 3 secondary colors. Let's make yummy Jell-O, orange, green, and purple.
Wait! We don't have those colors.
Blue with yellow makes green Jell-O. Yellow and red makes orange instead.
Red and blue make purple hues. Mixing colors is fun to do.
Let's set the timer and wait for our Jell-O to cool.
Yay!
Ready to see your Jell-O?
Colors are so